This is the image transfer method I use to save me tons of time and materials. Today, I'm using this image transfer method for lino cut printmaking, but there are so many other uses for it as well. First, I stain my linoleum. I use Battleship Gray linoleum, and I stain it using either jelly gouache, acrylic paint, or ink with a little bit of water. Staining helps create more contrast so I can see where I'm carving more clearly, and so I can visualize the final piece while I work. This step is optional. Once I have a thin layer on there, I'll set it aside to dry. For this transfer method, I use the backing paper to sticky labels. People donate these to me, and a few of my friends and family bring them to me from their offices. Check with anyone you know who works in an office. I bet they throw these away all the time. That sheet goes right into my inkjet printer. This method only works for inkjet printers, but there are some variations available for laser printers. I sketch and finalize all my designs in Procreate on my iPad. This helps me keep digital versions of all of my prints and gives me a backup plan in case I mess up. I'll export that design over to my computer with a transparent background. I like to format all my designs in Illustrator, but you can use your editing software of choice. In order to control the amount of ink on the sheet, I'll bring down the opacity, but every printer is a little bit different. I print my design right onto the shiny side of that backing paper. The ink stays wet and can be transferred directly onto the prepared block. Carefully press that sheet onto the linoleum, making sure to hold it firmly in place. You can lift the edges to check if you need any more pressure in any areas. And there you go. You can carefully press a paper towel on top to get rid of any excess ink. And it's best to allow it to set for about 30 to 45 minutes or longer, just so it doesn't smudge while you work. I'll go back in with a pencil or marker to clean up any areas that need it, and then you're ready to carve. Let me know if you give this a try, and be sure to like and share this video if it helped you out.